Okay, so this is edging for skiing. Edging, using our feet in edging. Okay, we talked about pressure management. We're edging our feet too. So follow along with me and tip your feet from side to side. They tend to want to swing out with me, but tip them from side to side, doesn't matter a whole lot. And what we want to do is work this as long as you can, different speeds, different rhythms that you might do in skiing, and visualize yourself turning to the right, turning to the left. Turning to the right as you're tipping the feet in time with each other. It's a coordination. We have to coordinate the movement of both feet in time for skiing. Okay, so take this exercise, work it, breakfast, on the chairlift, in your boots, whenever you can, and develop this coordination and this block of talent for skiing.